Using ChatGPT like a pro will make your work look so nice and so amazing. A lot of people use ChatGPT, but they don't know how to use it like a pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT like a pro and how you can command ChatGPT to write a long text for you, and also how you can use ChatGPT like a pro to design your thumbnail, and also how you can use ChatGPT to design your YouTube thumbnail, design your pictures, design your image. In fact, even how you can use ChatGPT to write complete book for you. Anything you want ChatGPT to do for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to do anything like a pro. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step a new method which you can use with ChatGPT, that ChatGPT will write anything or do anything for you like a professional that you are, like a professional that you want to be. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button right now. And also, most important thing, the notification bell, so that when next I drop more videos like this on how you can be using AI to create videos, create realistic image, create realistic videos, and also how you can prompt AI to write a text or write books for you, and also answer your questions. You should also be among of the people to watch those videos. So never you skip any part in this video, because if you decided to skip a part, this part you skip may be most important part you need to watch to get everything done right. So never you skip any part, because I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT as a pro and get everything done using ChatGPT. Now, let's get started. So to use ChatGPT as a pro, or if to use ChatGPT, all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, and you see ChatGPT. As you can see, OpenAI ChatGPT, you download it to your phone. After you download the application to your phone, you click on open. Right now, my own is showing update. It's telling me to update, but I don't want to update right now. So after you update your own, you download your own, you open the application. So when you click on open, ChatGPT is going to open like this. It is going to tell you to register. Make sure you register, and after you register, this is how ChatGPT is going to open. Now, to use ChatGPT as a pro, I always advise, talk to ChatGPT, chat with ChatGPT just like you are talking to woman. Express your mind. Anything you want ChatGPT to do for you, that is what you will tell him. After you tell ChatGPT what you want, that is where ChatGPT will follow up. Don't follow ChatGPT as if you are following your fellow man or you are following your fellow woman to talk. Just follow ChatGPT like that. For right now, let me show you example. First, I will greet ChatGPT, hello. You see, he answered me, hello, how can I assist you today? I will say, I want, maybe, now, so for example, let's start, Google VO3 is trending right now. I will say, do you know about Google VO3? Yes, I do. Google VO3. So yeah, it explain what Google VO3 is all about. As you can see, then you'll be talking to him like a pro. You read everything if you want to read. So now, as you can see, now the next question I'm going to say, can you prompt? Can you, let me say, give me a prompt I can use to generate amazing video on VEO3. You see how I'm following him up. Sorry, my network is bad. My network is bad, sorry. Now it is working. Now, as you can see, it's absolutely high quality cinematic prompt you can use. So right now, as you can see, ChatGPT just generate a prompt for me, which I can use to create videos on VEO3. So this is what I want. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I will say, okay, thank you for that. But I want the video should be about, You can use any American title movie. Let's say uh, Anima Ani Anima movie in the jungle. So let's click on it. Sorry, my network again. I don't know, my network is behaving. Now, as you can see, it says here a cinematic animal focus on jungle designed for VO3 to generate a stunning wildlife scene like a short movie. As you can see, now jungle. Now, as you can see, a majestic sunrise over a dynastic African jungle with a golden light. So as you can see, it's generating the prompt. As you can see, dramatic animal. So other prompt, variety. So you can just say, you can just tell your mind, tell ChatGPT what you want. That is how to use ChatGPT. All these people telling you this is the prompts they use, you also use it like this, and after they use it, they tell ChatGPT to give them a prompt. ChatGPT will give them a prompt. Now, to make this so nice, you say, okay, now I want you to act like a movie script writer, as you can see, or a movie producer and director, and analyze the movie and give me the best scene and give me the best cinematic movie. Now, let's click on continue. The role of the professional movie director, script writer, producer, and create a full cinematic jungle movie. Now, as you can see, using word animal. Now, as you can see, it just created everything. As you can see, it just created from cinema, as you can see, camera, rain wide shot, as you can see thing. So this is how you can do it so amazing, and it work perfect. So even people you see using ChatGPT to create stunning images using ChatGPT, these are what they do. As you can see, final prompt, copy and paste for VO3, a cinematic wide short film in 4K, the sunrise over an African jungle with. So you can just copy this prompt and give it to Google VO3, and it's going to do the best for you. Even if you want ChatGPT to help you create your images, just talk to ChatGPT, chat with him. That is why it's called ChatGPT. Chat with him, tell him your mind, command him to do what you want to you do. That is how to use ChatGPT like a pro. Now, as you can see, all what he just said right now, after discussing with him, he gave me a prompt, give me everything. As you can see, let's read this together. A cinematic wildlife short film in 4K. The sunrise over an Africa jungle with mate and golden light. If you give VO3 this prompt now, it's going to generate something amazing like this. It's going to generate it. Yes, it's going to generate it. So you can use ChatGPT to write your text. You can use ChatGPT, just prompt it the way you like. And if you also want more videos on how I use ChatGPT to edit images, how I use ChatGPT to make cinematic movies, those videos are on this channel. Go and check them out so that you see how I prompt everything, how I use my prompt, how I get my prompt from ChatGPT, how I even use ChatGPT to create books. Those videos will be in those videos are in this channel, so go and check them out. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button right now so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.